Are you still making past tense mistakes? Let me fix. Tip number 1. Regular verbs. Most verbs become past tense with ed. Example: walk, walked, play, played. ઘણા બધા વર્બમાં ed એડ કરવાથી પાસ્ટ ફોર્મ બને છે. નેક્સ્ટ ટીપ: irregular verbs. Irregular verbs don't follow rules. You just memorize them. Example: go, went, see, saw, take, took. Irregular verb rules follow નથી કરતા, તેને યાદ રાખવાના. Next one, past simple use. Use past simple for finished action. Example: I visited Paris last year. Finished action માટે past simple use થાય. Last one, biggest mistake. Don't use did plus past form. Example: don't say I didn't went. Say I didn't go. Did કે did not પછી વર્બનું બેઝ ફોર્મ આવે, પાસ્ટ ફોર્મ નહીં. So friends, master the past tense step by step. Follow for more easy English grammar tips.